The CDC is strongly pushing against traveling this Thanksgiving holiday as the coronavirus rages out of control. Health officials say the safest way to celebrate Thanksgiving in person is at home with the people in your household. Doctors say they have gotten lots of questions about who can be considered a household member. Here's the explanation from the CDC.
People have college students coming home for the holidays, or family that are living other places in the country. And so oftentimes you can think of your household being your family members. But if those people haven't been living with you in the 14 days before you're together, they shouldn't be considered a member of your household.
The CDC says small outdoor dinners with family and friends who live in your community is considered moderate risk for spreading the coronavirus. Large indoor gatherings with people not from your household are considered high risk.